Thank you for your interest in packet design. In this video, we will look at how you can use Packet Design Explorer Suite to analyze HTTP service performance using IPSLA test and correlate it with IGP and BGP routing performance. Service providers need to understand the performance of revenue-generating services being delivered to their customers over the network. This helps proactively identify potential issues before users begin to complain about service degradation. Packet Design Explorer Suite collects IPSLA HTTP test data and correlates it with IGP and BGP routing path information to help quickly understand the root cause of performance issues. To access the IPSLA HTTP test, click on Performance under the Technologies tab and scroll down to the relevant content. For quick access to any data in Explorer Suite, you can create a custom dashboard and configure it to display only the information you need. So here, we select the custom dashboard we created for IPSLA HTTP test, and that takes us to the test results page. In this dashboard, we have created separate content for business services and consumer services provided by the service provider. You can customize this content to suit your requirements by clicking on this icon here and edit it. Here, we are measuring the HTTP values, which helps us understand the performance of specific services offered over HTTP. We have also selected time range in the past to see the performance during that specific time period. As you can see, Google G Suite was experiencing a performance issue with the HTTP round-trip time being much higher than the baseline value. To analyze this further, we can click on the test name to drill down into the test and see how the performance has changed over time. In this case, the HTTP delay has increased to nearly 3000 milliseconds. This page also shows you the measurements for other HTTP metrics such as HTTP DNS delay, HTTP TCP delay, transaction delay, and also shows us the performance metrics for the devices and interfaces associated with the path. The HTTP SLA test is also correlated with the routing path. We can use the routing playback feature in Explorer Suite to playback and see how the BGP path has changed along with the change in HTTP SLA metrics. The playback shows that the path changed when the performance impact occurred and now is taking a longer route to reach G Suite, which explains the increase in HTTP delay time. We can then drill down and get to the prefix context page to see if this is a one-off issue or if this issue has occurred before. Here we can see that this has been recurring for the last few days. The page also shows the prefix events from where we can see that the prefix has been withdrawn and changed, which caused the impact in performance. With that, the service provider can understand if it is something on their network or if it is a customer issue that led to the problem and caused an increase in HTTP delays. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to know more about packet design, visit packetdesign.com.